Okay, so I'm having my morning routine. I'm gonna have my makeup 101 right now. So this one is like super basic, because I have so much time in my hands. So oh well. Okay, so this is my hair. This is my makeup organizer, and trying to find the little tiniest brush. What's on the table today? There's a lot of things on the table because I am so blessed. God said much has been given to one that has been trusted with much. That I believe that God trusted me with much. Therefore, I am sharing what I have been given. Be a good steward of your blessing. Gosh, I haven't even showered yet. I literally just woke up, had my coffee. I even haven't washed my face yet, and I'm planning to take a shower later. So, just put a little bit tone, so you will look like you are alive, awake, and kicking. So there you have it. Okay. Ah, wow. Also, you have to make it bounce like that as well. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Back off. Then, Okay, and then I need to touch up my kilay a little bit because kilay is life. Okay, there you have it. Okay, oh, I think I still have some eyebrow pencil here. It's Thursday, it's Thankful Thursday, so this is my way of paying forward, giving back. Because sometimes, I tend to be so conceited and self-absorbed. So why don't I share my blessing? Okay. Sometimes being self-absorbed makes you look like you're a sponge. So all the conceit that I have absorbed, I'm squeezing it out. So I hope you will learn from this video. Just a little bit. Don't overdo it. Be a sponge. Be a sponge that you absorb good things and then you squeeze out the bad. I love SpongeBob SquarePants. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be my eyebrow. Yeah. And hold on, let me touch up my eyes a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. I want to curl my hair and everything, but I already curled my hair yesterday. So I'm just gonna try to make it a little bit different this time. There's a lot of things I'm planning to do as well, like maybe touch up my hair and do this and that. My mom said that, oh, my mom said that I am beautiful. Maybe I'm just imagining it. I was just born this way. Okay. Oh my god, look at my eyes. It's already alive. Then let me put a little bit of eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. God. I look so pathetic right now, but you know, choose yourself. Choose yourself. Like, what is my agenda today? I really don't know much, you know. Already been out and about yesterday, so I'm probably just gonna play by ear. Okay, let's put it a little bit, you know. Oh, there you go, ayan. Oh. My god, I look like Lapu-Lapu here. Magellan, I thought you were going to return. Where are you? And I'm gonna have my MAC lipstick. Yeah. And MAC lipstick. Okay. I like this kind of color. It's like black and pink. It's always been my favorite lipstick. So, okay, why do I do this like that instead? Okay. And of course, how can I forget my Sky High mascara? You know, like an eagle, you have to be reminded that you always choose to stay on the high road. Yes. Okay, let's do it. Again. Okay. Ayan. So, this is what you do. You gonna do it like that. Okay. Let's start from here. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Ayan, there you go. There you have it. Ayan. Okay, and then I like putting mascara here as well. I haven't really done my nails yet. And by the way, it's campaign period here in the Philippines, so my apologies for the background noise. Okay. I'm trying to have my own studio someday, one day in the future. You know. Ayan. Yeah. Always prioritize your mental health. There you go. And then, ayan. I'm so thankful that, I have so much time in my hand that I can take my time doing my morning routine. And of course, don't forget your blush on. Like when you see your crush, it looks like you're blushing. Let them think that way, even you're not. Okay. Yeah. Ah, And of course, let me let me pretend that I have a pointed nose. Okay. But like, yeah. Mm, okay. Oh my God. Today's Thursday. I should have a lot of referral to our investment. I wonder how the world investment is going on right now with all the things going on in the news, the tariff, stock market crashing down, tariffs, especially China and United States of America. What's going on? Look at me. And there you have it. And I need some water. Some glass of water.